Many businesses have realized that to truly keep your teams and talent healthy and productive, quality of air is a critical component to making that happen. Whether actively stopping viruses from spreading through the air or reducing the concentration of contaminants within your workspaces. Ignoring these variables can lead to fatigue, headaches, and the spread of virus-borne diseases. Fortunately, LightAir's HealthPlus concept provides an integral solution to drastically improve the quality of your air. The ion flow technology actively finds and destroys 97% of viruses while they're still in the air, while the cell flow technology reduces the concentration of virus and other contaminants with 99.99% efficiency. With this double protection, you'll be rest assured that the air you breathe is of the highest possible quality. Discover the continual benefits of breathing clean air and how HealthPlus provides you with double protection, including active and passive air purification,